Hi everyone, welcome all of you. We will discuss about this section, organize PDF pages. In this section we will discuss about all PDF page related operations like rotate page, delete, move, replace, insert page, delete page, hide page, and the rest of more function. So let's get started with the rotate page. So I rotate page. I have a input PDF file ready with me. Simply drag and drop. My output folder is empty now. Simply I just enter here page ranges which I like to rotate. So I just enter here 6 to 7. My output folder, simply overwrite to the file, start the process. Only the page number 6 and 7 will rotate. Yeah, page rotated successfully. Let's check in 2 pages. Page 6 and 7 is rotated successfully. 6 and 7. Rest pages are same. Let's move to another PDF operation. It's a duplicate or clone page. In this section you can make a copy of specified page. In this case I just make a page number 7. So simply I start the page. Check the output. Page number 7 is repeated. So simply check page number 7 is rotated. Yeah, page number 7 exists 2 times. Let's move to another PDF operations, move pages. So in this case I just move page number 7 to page number 1. Start the process. Now at the page number 7 will move to page number 1. You can see here page number 7 is moved to at page number 1. Move to another operation is replace page. In the replace page you can replace a PDF page with another PDF page. So I have PDF ready with me for replacing page. So I just replace page number 7 with this PDF. Simply start the process. Now see, here page number 7 is replaced with page. Let's move to another PDF operation. Called insert page. Insert page having 3 options. You can insert a blank page, you can insert a PDF file, or you can insert a blank page in the last of each PDF page. So here is the option how many blank page which you want to insert it. Add a blank page only if total page count is odd. So it's all based on your choice. So I just simply want to insert a blank page. So I enter here page range 7. Start the process. Open the output data. You can see here after the page number 7 a blank page is inserted here. Let's move to another PDF operation. It's called delete page. as a name specify, you can delete a page from PDF. So I just want to delete page number 7. So start the process. You can see here 4, 5, 6. Yeah, you can see here page number 7 is deleted. Let's move to another PDF operation. Hide page is similar is to delete page, but at time of PDF operation is not actually a delete page from the PDF. It hide the page from the PDF, so its output result look like same as a delete page. So simply start the process. So you can see here page number 7 is hide. Yeah, you can see here page number 7 is hide. Let's move to another example. Crop page. So you can define the area. I'm not going to change. I just simply work with the default. You can change as per your specified requirement. You can see here all pages are. Open another PDF. Let's move to another example. This page box. I just simply make a page box to page number 7. Start the process. These pages are automatically skipped because page out of range, because I entered here the page number 7 and these PDF not having the page 7, so that's why page is skipped automatically by software. So let's move to the page number 7. Yeah, you can see here page number is boxed. Let's move to another example. Merge and combine as name specified. You can merge all these PDF. So I can simply start the process for merging, and the output folder is empty now. Start the process. All the PDF merged together successfully. See the result. The last file software took for naming purpose. You can see total 55 pages are there, and PDF merged successfully. All the PDF merged. Let's move to another example. So spread by page. Start. You can see here. You can see here the output files 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. You can also check with the open the PDF file 4, 5 and 6. Also try to open one more file 7 to 9. So all done with this video. Hopefully this video helpful for you. Thanks for watching.